can you give us a list of how many work programs are under the department, the goal of each program, and obviously it's work or work training, but is there specifics in that that you're trying to gear towards? How many people were employed in that field after the training program was done? And then how many people found employment after 3 months and then 6 months? If you can break that between 6 months and 3 months of that. And then if you could
take that back and do what we can with the information we have.
Okay.
We'll do all we can to answer those questions.
Yeah, and then program level, and then at the kind of provider level, if you contract out or provide direct funding to an entity, if you could get the similar amount of information, how much money they get, how many people they train, and then their outcomes, how many people have received a job in that training field 3 months and 6 months out. And then the question is, I think it may have been 2 years ago, or maybe it was a year ago, not really sure. But the governor announced a kind of cohesive coordinating effort between L&I, Ag, and I think Department of Education around workforce training. Department of Human Services was left out of that. Obviously, they have some important job training program from welfare to work programs. The Secretary just announced that they're revamping those. Just curious, is it the intent of the administration to bring all 4 departments under one umbrella?
I don't know if it's the intent to bring them all under one umbrella. I can tell you from the department, from the vantage point of our department, I've met regularly with Secretary Miller from DHS over the past few months, as have many of our staff in our workforce area, to look at some possible changes in how the EARN program is utilized in our career links and our workforce development areas. We want to improve the outcomes for our citizens. We have work to do. We're ready to do that. DHS is the lead agency in that, and we look forward to working with them.
Yeah, it's good if you have them coordinated. I applaud the administration moving towards that. If you don't have alignment and cooperation, it'll never, I think, fully maximize the potential of individuals.
The first conversation I had with the governor when he offered me this position was about connecting all these dots. How do we do that? How do we improve the interagency cooperation that we need to do what's best for our fellow citizens?